Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Dancehall entertainer Beenie Man has found himself on the wrong side of the law. There's a summons out for the self-styled King of the Dancehall DJ by police in St. Elizabeth in relation to a party held in November. A video being circulated online also appears to show the DJ promoting a New Year's party starting at midnight. Giovanni Dennis has the details.
The video creating a stir.
St. Elizabeth, if you know the party they reach, so you know say on New Year's Eve, or you have to ring in the New Year's, when you care who wants it. So if you know where the party there, you have to there, the party name 12 to 7. So we have bonfire, and you know some music, you know everything good. So, you know, walk on the money, yeah.
It's unclear when the video was made, if the event being promoted is from last year, or even if it's a prank. Either way, the St. Elizabeth police aren't amused. Deputy Superintendent Narda Sims is commanding officer for the division.
Let me say to patrons that there is no permit for any party whatsoever. Not for Beenie Man, not for anyone else.
Police are also interested in the Sim Simmer DJ for a party held in St. Elizabeth this past November. In the meantime, DSP Sims is urging persons intent on breaking COVID control orders under the Disaster Risk Management Act not to do so.
Let me say to party promoters one more time that if you have your parties, we are going to catch up on you. And when we catch up on you, you will be prosecuted with the full force of the law.
4 persons, including a party promoter, were arrested last night in St. Thomas for staging a party. Police report over 250 persons in attendance at the gathering in Nuts River that was shut down sometime after 10 o'clock. A pregnant woman was among several people warned for prosecution. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.